Now I gotta try. Try for a rainy day. Let's see. Maybe right there. We're gonna try it.
No.
Give her a whirl. The whirl of the century.
What did he say?
I said.
I'm waving.
Oh, no, don't, no. That wasn't part of the plan. Wait, what you did, what the, no ding dong. See, Turbo's barking right now, there's no ding dong. Turbo's like, no, but the bass, but the doorbell, but the bass, but the doorbell. He's going back and forth. I need to get out of the way. I'm in the curtain way, dude.
All of them?
Right, all three. Stop! Stop it or but not it. Not a food barrel. Yeah.
I could just grab it. You're actually kind of busy right now.
Please leave a message after the beep. Notebook for Timmy Johnson. Timmy Johnson speaks to me in his beaks.